Did you know that older adults who maintain a consistent and intentional morning routine are more likely to have better physical health and also report greater emotional stability, fewer episodes of depression, and a deeper sense of life satisfaction? The first hour of your day may be more powerful than you think, and yet, most of us, especially as we grow older, don't give that hour the care and attention it truly deserves. Let me ask you something personal. When you wake up in the morning, do you feel inspired to start your day, or do you feel stuck, like you are just going through the motions without any real energy or purpose? If you have been waking up feeling low, aimless, or physically uncomfortable, know that you are not alone. And more importantly, know that you can change that. Welcome to the channel where we talk about living not just longer but better. Today's topic is about transforming your mornings, those quiet, tender moments that can shape your entire day and by extension, your entire life. There's something sacred about morning time. It's a chance to begin again, to refresh the mind, the body, and the spirit. But for many seniors, mornings can feel empty. Retirement, the loss of structure, and health changes can all combine to create mornings that feel more like a burden than a blessing. Let's be honest, the challenges are real. When we retire, the schedule that once gave us meaning disappears. When children grow up and move away, that once busy house can become very quiet. As we age, pain may greet us before the sunrise does. Joint stiffness, aches, fatigue. Some mornings, even getting out of bed feels like a battle. Add to that the emotional impact of loneliness or grief, and mornings can feel overwhelming. But here's the empowering truth: your morning doesn't need to start with stress, scrolling, or silence. It can begin with intention, with calm, with joy, with small, manageable habits that align with your needs and your lifestyle. You don't need a 2 hour routine, just a few simple, nourishing rituals that can completely change your day. Let's begin at the beginning. Your very first waking moment. Before you reach for your phone or turn on the TV, just stop. Breathe deeply. Place your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat. You are alive. That alone is a miracle. Now take another deep breath and say silently to yourself, today I will approach life with calm, curiosity, and gratitude. This is not just poetic, it's powerful. Your brain is in a highly receptive state just after waking. By setting a positive mental tone, you literally influence your mood and your decisions for the rest of the day. After setting your intention, it's time to hydrate. Our bodies lose water through the night. Dehydration, even mild, can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and joint discomfort. So, before your morning coffee or tea, reach for a glass of warm water. Add a few drops of lemon for vitamin C and digestion. Add a pinch of salt for trace minerals if you are not low on sodium diet. That one glass can help you feel more awake and more centered. Think of it as the body's morning blessing. Next, we move to gentle physical awakening. You don't need a gym membership or a yoga mat. You just need willingness. Begin with small stretches. Raise your arms, roll your shoulders, rotate your ankles and wrists. If standing is difficult, try stretches in bed or from a chair. Chair yoga, tai chi, and slow walking indoors are all wonderful. The goal here is not exercise, it's circulation. Movement increases blood flow to your brain, lubricates your joints, and sends signal to your body. I am ready, I am alive, and I am moving. Now that your body is gently awakened, it's time to nourish your inner world. This is a powerful time for meditation, prayer, or simply quiet reflection. You might sit near a window and watch the morning light spill into your room. You might close your eyes and focus on your breathing. You might read a few pages from a spiritual book or write your thoughts in a journal. Even 5 minutes of stillness can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and increase serotonin, the mood booster. Silence is not emptiness, it's fullness waiting to be heard. And speaking of fullness, let's talk about gratitude. Gratitude isn't just about being thankful, it's about recognizing the richness in your life, even in its smallest details. Keep a journal by your bedside. Each morning, write down 3 things you are grateful for. They could be as simple as the warm sun on my face, the smell of breakfast cooking, or the memory of my spouse's laughter. Studies show that a daily gratitude practice improves sleep, boosts the immune system, and even increases hope. Gratitude reminds us that life is still abundant, still beautiful, and still worth cherishing. Now that you have connected with your mind, body, and heart, give a little nourishment to your spirit. Engage with something that lifts you up. It could be classical music, a favorite poem, a spiritual podcast, or even an uplifting video like this one. Avoid starting the day with news headlines or social media, as they often stir up anxiety. Feed your mind something good, something hopeful, something that reminds you that the world is still a place of light and possibility. So, let's reflect on everything we have discussed. Your ideal morning can begin with intention, with hydration, with movement, with quiet reflection, with gratitude, and with uplifting content. You don't have to do all of these at once. You might start with just one or two. The point is not perfection, it's presence, it's consistency. A 15-minute routine practiced daily becomes a 7-day anchor. That anchor stabilizes your emotions, sharpens your mind, and connects you to something larger than the day's to do list. And remember, these rituals are not rigid. Make them your own. Maybe you enjoy lighting incense before meditation. Maybe your morning joy is feeding birds on your balcony. Maybe it's sipping chai while listening to bhajans or writing letters to old friends. What matters is that your morning brings you peace, purpose, and a sense of belonging to yourself, to your day, and to life itself. Before we close, I invite you to think about this. What kind of morning would make your heart feel light? What simple act could you add to your routine to make each day feel like a fresh opportunity rather than a faded obligation? Now it's your turn to share. In the comments below, tell us about a morning ritual that brings you joy or one you'd like to try. Your wisdom can inspire someone else who may be struggling to start their day. And if you found this video helpful, we invite you to check out our next video. You deserve mornings that lift you, that honor your journey, that remind you you are still growing, still giving, still glowing. Thank you for spending this morning with us. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and begin again tomorrow. Thank you.